In today's video, I'll be using Holo taco polishes. This is the new cream to the collection, and it is Party of One Purple. I'm also using the new limited edition reflective taco. This is so beautiful. It is so sparkly, a great topper. This is definitely a must-have. And this is what it looks like in low light with a flash on. It's got that awesome reflective properties. Love, love, loving this. At the time of filming this, the Holo Taco Reflective Taco is still available. However, it is a limited edition topper for the 3rd anniversary collection. So if you want it, I would say snag a bottle or two, because this is awesome. You will love this. And making an appearance in this video is the Scattered Holo Taco, which is going to be very fun to use with the other two polishes. I do have to say this topper is really nice. It's not too overloaded with glitter. It's kind of as a topper should be. It enhances the polish instead of covers it up. So I'm doing it over black and gosh, what was this one called? I keep wanting to say late to the party. Party of One Purple. I love how Reflective Taco gives just a little bit of twinkle to the polishes. It doesn't cover up any of the pretty color, it just enhances it really, really nicely. And here it is in low light, which is completely amazing with the flash shining on it. It looks so awesome. I'm kind of really obsessed with these reflective polishes, and I just really, really love this reflective topper. I already had Peely base coat on, and I put my Maxis base coat over the top just for nail protection. And I thought this would be really fun is to do this one idea that I had with it. So I thought it'd be really fun to do this on a video. When I tested it on my swatch wheel, it came out so pretty. So we're going to use Party of One Purple. I'm going to put a second coat on, and this should be good in 2 coats. I love the reflective polish, the reflective topper, but now I'm going to take it one step further. So first I put on the Scattered Holo Taco. Because what will look better with a reflective taco is a scattered holo taco. So I'll let this dry and then I'll come back. Now I'm adding the reflective taco. Now it's time for a glossy taco. Make sure for long-lasting wear that you cap the edges. Also, if you want this to last a really long time, you could do two coats of glossy taco, and then every like 3 days put an extra one on if you want to wear it for a really long time. Here is the finished manicure. I love how sparkly this is. In person, it just sparkles like a bunch of diamonds. It looks very, very princessy. And I love both of these toppers together. They are just like the perfect amount of topper to put everything that doesn't hide your polish underneath or overpower it. The Holo scattered taco is really, really amazing. Got all those little rainbow sparkles. And now let's take a look at the reflective taco. So the reflective taco is silver and reflective, and it's just like, it's a good match with the scattered Holo taco. Let's take a look at it in low light with the camera flash. And here it is, sparkling like a million diamonds. And you can still see flashes of the scattered Holo taco. I love this. This is really amazing. I can see myself wearing this combination a lot. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.